stomp move. Step with your right foot, do a body wave and come up. And put your hands out in line with each other. So I'll show you from the side. Step, roll, arms up. From here, you're going to pulse back twice, right arm. And you're going to lean towards your right side and do a little pop. From here, you're going to pulse twice more. Lean over to your left side and do another pop. From here, you're going to throw your elbow. And then you're going to throw a haymaker hammer fist. Then you're going to do 2 shoulder pops. And then 2 more like that. So let's do that nice and slow. Step, body roll twice to one side, twice the other side. Elbow, hammer fist, 1, 2, step 3, 4. Freestyle walk up a little bit. I really like BTS because there's so many freestyle points. Do whatever you like right there. This part is where it's kind of difficult, so we're going to go nice and slow to break it down. Jump your knees up to your chest, and when you do that, you leave your arms down here. Jump up, arms come up, and come down the sides like that. It's kind of like elementary backstroke. So jump, that, lean forwards, step 1, 2, 3, and you're going to be on your toes. Bring your elbows up. 1, 2, 3, right, left, right. And you're going to add in the legs now. 1, twist out, in. 2, twist out, in. 3, twist out, in. Now this is kind of awkward. It's going to be a little easier when you go faster. Lean, arms are up, step, out, in, step, in, out, in. Okay. Now there's one other thing that's going on. You're doing a little head tilt to the side. You do it on the first and third beat. Just go like this. Step, head, step, no head, step, head. Okay, so let's try put those together nice and slow. Jump, hands around, lean into this. Jump, clap, like that. Okay, the next part after this, from the last move here, you're going to hop onto your right foot, left knee up, and you're going to kick out. And you're going to slide over to your right a little bit, and you're kicking out with your left. Switch onto your left leg, kick out with your right leg, slide to your left. You can do this a few times, get a feel for it. But you're only doing 2 of these though. Arms are here. You're going to pop up. 1 foot up, kick, 2, kick. So we're going to start from the jump and do it really slow and put it all together. Jump. There, that's it. From there, after you kick out here, step with your right leg, transition your weight onto your back like this. As you're doing that, circle your hand so it's behind you. Then go for a slap, big slap, and knock your arm away like that. Lean back, you have a big slap, knock the arm away, hop 3 times, and land back here. Let's try to be really relaxed when we do this. Doesn't matter how strong you do that. Lean back, both hands, clap, 1, 2, 3, and back to middle. And just hop here on the 4, come back to middle like that. And we're going to the next part. Same time you hop, your hands go on your quads, just above your knees. Squat down, and you're going to do 4 leg movements. Right knee in, out, left knee in, out, right knee in, out, left knee in, out. Your arms, you're going to go shoulder, elbow, sharp. Just kind of roll off the fingers. Sharp fingers, sharp fingers, sharp fingers. You're kind of going here, 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 here. And you're putting that with the leg. And touch, down, elbow, knee, elbow, knee, elbow, knee, elbow, knee. And you're going to flip your arms around, bring your elbows and come up on your toes, and then hands go down. Jump over here. Okay? So that's a lot. Let's go through that again. Hop, hands on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come in, down, hop. Now this move is a little bit like the other move before, but you're not leaning back as much and you're not winding up the hand. This one's gonna get you a little bit dizzy, but that's kind of the fun. Step around, clap your own hand, step around, open, and you're gonna go low here. And from there, you're gonna jump like you're doing Autobomb. So nice and slow. So we start here. There's 3 steps. 1, clap. 2, around open. 3, down low. And then jump around like that. And come back. Now, if all the spinnings get you dizzy, you can cancel out your dizzy polarity by spinning the other way, like that. So you have the movement. So you're gonna bring your knee up and really open up on the last one, like that. It's a lot like an Autobomb. But just don't kick, unless you want to. So we're gonna start from this part. Hop, down, 1, 2, and 3, 4. Come in, come down, jump, clap, open, down low, close, and jump around. Just like that. Now walk it off. And we're going to the next part. Hey, you're almost done. This is the easiest part of the song, in my opinion. So a little transition, and you're going to jump, clap your hands together, put this hand in a fist in a 45, and lean your weight onto your right leg. This arm is doing a stirring motion, like you're stirring a cauldron or a pot. My pretty. You're going to do that with the knee as well at the same time. 1, 2, 3, and as soon as you finish 4, you're going to come up like this, put your arm here, and the hand that was beside you is going to go behind you now. Now you're going to do the same knee motion with your arm up, and you're going to rotate the shoulder forwards. And you're going to do 3 of them, same with the legs. So we go 1, 2, 3. This is kind of quick, this part. You're going to come up, bring this elbow up high and this knee here, drop down nice and low. So let's try that, and we'll move on to the next one. So get ready and clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, up. 1, 2, 3, step up, down. Okay? Now from there, this part is easy and it happens twice in the song. Step 1, 2, 3, 4 with your body. Your arms are going to cross, open, and then do 2 waves away. The shoulders to me look a little bit like the nene. You kind of switching shoulders. You only do it twice. Step with the left, step with the right. We'll do it again with the part nice and slow. Also, your head is kind of weaving to the side on the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Hands behind your back, lean forwards again. There's a lot of leaning in this song. Left leg out, sway your right leg out. 1, 2, 3 with your legs. And while you do that, you're going to come down 1, 2, 3 with your hands. And you're going to jump up like this. In the actual music video, they're doing more of a Gangnam style dance with bringing the knee up. In the mirrored dance version, though, they're only hopping up on their toes, moving forwards. So this is the version I like better. So that's what I'll be doing. But if you like, you can do the Gangnam style version. It's up to you. So while you're doing that, you're going to have your arm vertical, your palms out, and you're going to twist it inwards towards yourself 180 degrees. And you're going to put it back. 1, 2, 3. You're going to jump kick and do a dab. So you can dab any way you like. All the members are doing different dabs. It's up to you. You can go there. You can go there. You can go over here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to do a front kick. I'm going to dab over to my left at the same time. That's the way I'm going to do it. 1, 2, 3, dab. Bring that head down when you do it when you kick. Switch the other side immediately. And 1, 2, 3, 4 this time. Then we're going to repeat the move we did earlier. Weave 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, right. This part is different. You're going to do another dab. We're going to come up, bring that knee up, kick, and dab at the same time. Front kick over to your left side. And that is the end of the chorus and pre-chorus. How many dancers does it take to screw in a light bulb? 5, 6, 7, 8. You should become a member of the Fire Nation too. Click down below. Do you want to learn how to do K-pops? Huh? Hey, what do you call a dancing sheep? Ballerina.